In the previous class, discuss zeros of polynomials, the graphical representation of zeros of polynomials. Today discuss the topic is exercise 3.2. In this first question, the graphs of y is equals to p of x are given in the figure. For some polynomials p of x, in each case find the number of zeros of p of x. Find the number of zeros of p of x in the graph y is equals to p of x. సో ఇక్కడ గ్రాఫ్ లో పాలినామియల్ యొక్క నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ జీరోస్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయబడుతున్నాడు. సో ఇన్ ద ఫస్ట్ గ్రాఫ్ ద గ్రాఫ్ నాట్ ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అట్ x axis, not intersect at the x axis. There is so therefore the polynomial p of x is no zeros. So p of x has no zeros, no zeros. So the graph not intersects at the x axis at any point, so the polynomial has no zeros. And then second question, the graph intersects at the x axis only one point, so it has only one zero. Y is equal to p of x polynomial has only one zero. Why? Because the graph intersects the x axis at only one point, so number of zeros is one. Number of zeros is of this polynomial is 1. Third question, in this graph, the graph intersects x axis at 3 points. The graph intersects the x axis at 3 points, so this polynomial has 3 zeros. So number of zeros of this polynomial is 3. Is 3. So here the graph intersects x axis at 2 points, so here number of zeros is 2. And fifth question, the graph intersects at 4 points, so the number of zeros is 4. Here the graph intersects at 3 points. The graph intersects the x axis at 3 points, so number of zeros is 3. Second question, find the zeros of the given polynomials. Find the zeros of the given polynomials. So first question, p of x is equals to 3x. So we find the zeros of the p of x is equals to 3x. So the zero of the polynomial is p of x is equals to 0. P of x is equals to 0. So here p of x value is 3x. 3x is equals to 0. X is equals to 0 by 3. So x is equals to 0. 0 is the zero of the polynomial p of x is equals to 3x. And 0 is the 0 of p of x is equals to 3x. And second question, p of x is equals to x square plus 5x plus 6. So 0 of the polynomial of p of x is equals to 0. X square plus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. So x square plus 5x plus 6 is a quadratic polynomial. So we can find the factors of quadratic polynomial. So x square coefficient is 1. 1 into 6 is 6. Here product of terms and sum of terms. 5 ones are 6 ones are 6. 3 plus 2 5. 3 into 2 equal to 6. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. So x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6, that is equal to 0. Here 3x plus 2x is nothing but 5x. Common So x plus 3, here 2 take common into x plus 3, that is equal to 0. So here x plus 3 is common, x plus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0. X plus 3 is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 3, x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equals to minus 2. Here minus 2 and minus 3 are the zeros of p of x. Minus 3 and minus 2 are zeros of p of x. Next, third question. P of x is equals to x plus 2 into x plus 3. P of x is equals to x plus 2 into x plus 3. So 0 of the polynomial P of x is equals to 0. X plus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here x plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equals to minus 2. X plus 3 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 3. So here minus 2 and minus 3 are zeros of p of x equal to x plus 2 into x plus 3. Next, fourth question. P of x is equals to x power 4 minus 16. So 0 of the polynomial p of x is equals to 0. So x power 4 minus 16 is equal to 0. So x power 4, here 16 can be written as 2 power 4, that is equals to 0. So it can be written as x square whole square minus 2 square whole square. So this is in the form of a square minus b square, that is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Here a is x square and b is 2 square. So a plus b into 2 square. 4 can be written as x square whole square minus 4 square can be written as 16 can be written as 4 square. So here a square minus b square. So it is in the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here a means x square, b means 4. A plus b into a minus b. A means x square minus b means 4, that is equal to 0. So x square plus 4 into x square minus 4 can be written as 2 square, that is equal to 0. Here again it is in the form a square minus b square. So x square plus 4 into x plus 2 into x minus 2, that is equal to 0. X square plus 4 is equal to 0, that implies x square is equals to minus 4, that implies x is equals to minus root 4. X plus 2 is equals to 0, x minus 2 is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 2, x is equals to plus 2. Here minus root 4 minus 2 and 2 are the zeros of the f of x, p of x power 4 minus 16. Question: why are 1 by 4 and minus 1 zeros of the polynomial p of x is equals to x square plus 3x minus 1? 1 by 4 మరియు minus 1 అనేవి ఈ పాలినామియల్ యొక్క జీరోస్ అవుతాయి ఎందుకు? సో సొల్యూషన్ p of x is equals to 4x square plus 3x minus 1. Here while 1 by 4 substitute in place of x, p of 1 by 4 into in place of x can be written 1 by 4 whole square plus 3 into 1 by 4 minus 1. So 4 into 1 by 16 plus 3 by 4 minus 1. 4 ones are 4 fours are 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 minus 1. So here LCM is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4 by 4 minus 1. So 4 by 4 means 4 ones are 4 ones are 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. So P of 1 by 4 equal to 0. And again in place of x substitute minus 1. P of minus 1 equal to, in place of x substitute minus 1. 4 into minus 1 whole square plus 3 into minus 1 minus 1. 4 into minus 1 whole square means 1 plus 3 into minus 1 plus into minus minus 3 ones are 3 minus 1. 4 ones are 4 minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Here 1 by 4 and minus 1 are equal to 0. So P of 1 by 4 and P of minus 1 are equal to 0. So therefore 1 by 4 and minus 1 are zeros of P of x. Zeros of P of x. 4x square plus 3x minus 1. Third question. Draw the graphs of the given polynomial and find the zeros. Justify the answers. So here the polynomial are given. So draw the graph of the quadratic polynomial. So here x y is equal to, the polynomial y is equal to x square minus x minus 12. So x y is equal to x square minus x minus 12. So the pair of coordinates x comma y. Here we have taken the x values. So what values we have taken? So the quadratic polynomial factors is x square minus x minus 12, that is equal to 0. Here the x square quotient is 1. 1 into minus 12 minus 12 is 12. Minus 4 into 3. 4 minus into plus minus 4 3 is 12. 4 minus 4 plus 3 that is equal to minus 1. So x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 12 is equal to 0. So take x value as common. So x minus 4 plus 3 value as common. Take 3x minus 4, that is equal to 0. So x minus 4 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 4 equal to 0 implies x is equal to 4. X plus 3 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to minus 3. Here we will take the x values minus 3 to 4. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these values are taken in x coordinate. So here 4, so here we take minus 4. So minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 3 and 4. So minus 4, substitute in place of x, minus 4 whole square, minus into minus 4, minus 12. Minus 4 square means 16 plus 4 minus 12. 16 minus 12, 4 plus 4, that is equal to 8. So here 8. So next minus 3 is in place of x. Minus 3 whole square, minus of minus 3, minus 12. 3 square means 9 plus 3 minus 12. 9 minus 12 is 3, 3 plus 3, that is equals to 6. 3, 12, 12 minus 12 equal to 0. place of 2 minus 2 whole square minus of minus 2 minus 12. 2 square means 4 plus 2 minus 12. 6 minus 12 that is equals to minus 6. Minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 minus 12. 1 square plus 1 minus 12. 2 minus 12 that is equals to minus 10. In place of x substitute 0 value. 0 square means 0 minus 12, so we get minus 12. Substitute x value 1. 1 square minus 1 minus 12. 1 minus 1 minus 12. 1 minus 13 that is equals to minus 12. Of x to value. Substitute 2 square minus 2 minus 12. 4 minus 2 minus 12. 4 minus 14 that is equals to minus 10. 3 square minus 3 minus 12. 9 minus 3 minus 12. 9 minus 15 minus 6. 4 square minus 4 minus 12. 16 minus 4 minus 12. 16 minus 16 that is equals to 0. Here the pair of x comma y minus 4 comma 8 minus 3 comma 0 minus 2 minus 6 minus 1 minus 10 0 comma minus 12 1 comma minus 12 2 comma minus 10 3 minus 6 4 comma 0. Take these points to draw the graph. First point minus 4 comma 8 minus 4 comma 8. So this is the point minus 4 comma 8 minus 3 comma 0 minus 3 comma 0 minus 2 minus 6 minus 2 minus 6 minus 1 minus 10 minus 1 minus 10 0 minus 12 0 minus 12 2 minus 10 2 minus 10 3 minus 6 3 minus 6 4 0. So join these points. And extend them. So the graph intersects at 2 points minus 3 and 4. These are the zeros of the polynomial. So the number of zeros of the quadratic polynomial is 2, that is minus 3 and 4. Question: p of x is equals to x square minus 1. So y is equals to x square. Let y equal to x square minus 1. So x coordinate and y is equals to x square minus 1. Pair of x comma y. So table, fill the table. So here taken x values, what values are taken? So find out the zeros of polynomial x square minus 1 equal to 0. So here a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, x plus 1 into x minus 1 that is equal to 0. X plus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1, x minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to 1. So the values of x coordinates are taken minus 1 and 1. So that means minus 1, 0, 1. So and again before the minus 1 is minus 2 and minus 3. So we have taken 1, 2 and 3. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, So take the coordinates x value -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and fill the table. So in place of x substitute -3 whole square means 9, 9 minus 1 8, -2 whole square 4 minus 1 equal to 3, -1 whole square 1 square 1 minus 1 0, 0 square 0 minus 1 is -1, 1 square 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 square 4 minus 1 is 3 square 9 minus 1 is 8. So pair of coordinates -3, 8, -2, 3, -1, 0, 0, -1, 1, 0, 2, 3, 3, 8. These points to draw the graph -3, 8, -3, 8. This is the point. -2, 3, -2, 3, -1, 0, -1, 0, 0, -1, 0, -1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, 3, 3, 8. Write these points. So the graph of quadratic polynomial is a parabola. It intersects the points -1 and 1. So the number of zeros of quadratic polynomial x square -1 is -1 and 1 are the zeros of quadratic polynomial. So there are 2 zeros of the given polynomial. The number of zeros of the polynomial is -1 and 1 are 2 zeros.